I'm excited to announce that we are going to be running a sale on these RainBird ESP-TM2 timers with the Wi-Fi module. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. We are going to offer these for $100 off. The prices start normally to install both these units. We are charging $595, but we're going to offer a $100 discount. I made a whole video on just how cool these are. I'll be sure to add a link on this description somewhere regarding the installation of one of these and just how easy it is to use with your phone, how great they are as far as your landscaper can still adjust these timers from the control panel, and you can still also see all of the schedule on your phone, and you can make adjustments on your phone. They work both ways, which is one of the great things about this RainBird timer. I love this timer. I use it at my home as well. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. This is a great time to offer a sale. Feel free to contact us. Our website's azlawns.com. Also check us out on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel at AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.